Hey traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a watch list on the cTrader platform. Let's get started. After logging in to the cTrader platform, head over to the left corner of your screen. Click on the trade icon and you'll see the instrument window pop up. Here you'll notice two sections. One is the watch list and the other is all symbols. First, let's talk about the all symbols section. Here you can view all available instruments categorized by metals, oils, forex indices, and cryptocurrencies. There's also a popular markets category by default, which includes all the popular instruments. If you're searching for a specific instrument, simply use the search bar at the top. Let's search for Euro USD, and there it is. Now, let's move on to the Watchlist tab. In the Watchlist tab, you'll see a default watchlist called Popular Markets. But what if you want to create your own watchlist? It's easy. Click on Create New Watchlist right here. Give it a name like My Watchlist 1, and then click OK. Next, let's add some symbols to your new watchlist. Click on the plus icon and search for the instrument you want. For instance, GBP USD. Just click on it, and it's added to your watchlist. Alternatively, you can right-click on the watchlist. Select Add Symbol, search for the instrument, and it's done. Or, under the All Symbols section, simply click on the star icon to add the instrument to the watchlist, and just select the watchlist where you want to add the instrument. If you need to remove any instrument, just click Remove Symbol, select the instrument you want to remove, and it's gone. Or right-click on the specific instrument and select Remove from this watchlist. I want to rename your watchlist. Just right-click on it, select Rename Watchlist, enter the new name, click OK, and there you have it. You can even duplicate or delete your watchlist. Simply right-click on the specific watchlist and select the appropriate option. You can also right-click on the watchlist and select watchlist settings to adjust if you want to see the daily change or not. Finally, if you want to change the layout of your watchlist, just click the tiles icon here and you can adjust the layout to your preference. And that's it. You've now mastered creating and managing a watchlist on cTrader. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.